everyone, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year's, happy holidays. I know I'm kind of late into the year already, but let's go ahead and get started with this video. So I am going to be unboxing the cutest nail art subscription from Charmbox. This is by Daily Charm. This was $49 plus shipping. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So this is the Valentine box edition, I think. So here is a coupon code if you guys want to use it. Oh, and it actually tells you what's inside the box. So I did purchase two items separately outside the box. So I got like a glow in the dark. This one is the white, and then I got like the magic white chrome, the one like everybody's using, the one, I hate to say it, glazed donut. Let's see what else in this box. We have a lot of little things. Okay, oh my goodness, I've been wanting to try these holographic hearts. This is foil, nail art, another lace foil. Ooh, got some crystals. These ones are called the Twinkles. They don't have anything in the back, so it's clear. Ooh, some Valentine hearts. Yay. And some more sticker hearts. These ones are so cute. I like this. Excuse me for my voice. I am sick, but I was like, I need to get up and search in something else. So here's this little heart container. You could put your crystals here and then just shake it so that they could end up being on the flat side, so it's easier for you to pick it up. Let's see what else is in here. You get like a little brush. These always come in handy. Some more hearts. These are cute. Can't wait to use those. Ooh, you get more stardust. So this one is like a purple chef. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh, look at this pretty glitter. It's pretty. Ooh. I was about to purchase this. Thankfully, it came inside the box. I can't wait to share you guys this cool nail design that I have in mind to use this type of gel. So you guys should stay tuned. I do have other videos coming up for you guys. Besides, I have to edit them. And since I've been sick, my voice has been killing me. And let's see what else is in here. We got some nail polishes. So we got this Rosetta one. Let's see how this one looks. Ooh, this is so pretty. This one is like a very sheer one. You could tell. You're gonna have to use like two layers of this. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. It is pretty. Okay. Can't wait to use that one too. Let's see what else is in here. So we got like a little satin bag. If I could get it open, that'd be great. Oh, okay. So we got some LED UV gloves, so you can put them on. You can put them on your client, so you don't get too overexposed. I think I put them in the wrong hand, but whatever. I don't really tend to use this. I just apply a little bit of UV sunscreen before doing my prep on my clients and stuff like that. It's easier, and it's just like an extra step of care for your client, because I feel like it's just too much with those gloves, but they do come in handy. Ooh, look what else is in this box. Okay, so I think that's it. So we got some cute little hearts. Look at that. Ooh, they're pastel-y colors. And we got some more stones, red ones, and they do have some hearts in there. So cute. Look at that. These are like the 3D, kind of like a little bears, hearts. And it even says love me. Some more of these like metal 3D charms. These are hearts. And then I got like a little heart ring. Or not even a heart ring, it's an arrow ring. Oh, let me get it off my nose. That obviously it doesn't fit that, but oh, there you go. Was there something else? Oh yeah, and this. Look at that. They're like the 3D zirconia bling. I really like them. Look at that. They're pretty. Alright. So that's about it. I feel like it was definitely worth the $49.99. You get so many things in here. It's crazy. I tend to enjoy this type of subscription boxes because sometimes they include things that I really want to try out and I just don't take a dip into it, like, okay, come on, let's get it. So whenever it does include it in a box like this, I get super excited. So that was it inside the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing with me. I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.